My gym is currently closed for some construction, and I didn't want that to stop me from lifting weights, keeping on my schedule. As for me, keeping the workout habit is so important. So I did some research and went ahead and got myself this FLYBIRD bench, as I need an adjustable bench for a lot of my different weightlifting moves. It's just a great item to have in your household, and I like that this one is a good size and folds up so I can tuck it out of the way when not in use. So in this video, I'm going to unbox this, see how easy it is to put together, and put it to the test. Well, let's go. Now it has a warning on the top that using a knife to open the box may damage the leather, but fortunately it does have a cardboard cover. I'm not gonna guarantee that yours has a cardboard cover. Just be sure you're careful when opening this box. And there is definitely assembly required. Luckily, there's not too much assembly. I just need to add the feet and the leg support. And the bench itself is already looking really nice. It has good cushioning. I can see how it folds apart. Let's get this all the way together. And then I just need to connect them on with these bolt sets. And these really just go into these side openings. Once you find the hole and slide it through, it does have washers for both sides. And I really appreciate that it comes with the tools to tighten the bolts. Now, of course, in my excitement to put this together for the camera, I didn't think about how I'd set this leg up. It actually needed to go the other way. So keep that in mind when you place these, that you have them the correct way to start. Now, of course, I could edit this flub out of my video, so you never know that I'd make a mistake, but we all make mistakes. Even with really obvious builds like this one, I was moving too fast, so just take a minute. It might save you many more minutes. The feet are installed. Now all I need to do is add the leg support. Really easy to add on. It really does just twist on to the front. And I can choose from two different positions. I'm gonna go with the lower position because I'm 5'11", so I imagine I'll want as much distance as possible. And then finally you have two ball pens. The first one, the smaller one, is for the leg support. So you can set it where you want it to be. And then the larger ball pen is key, and this is the piece that goes right in the middle to hold the whole bench in place. It is your safety redundancy. Do not use this bench without this ball pen in. But now that it's together, I am thrilled. The cushioning is nice. It's not super cushioned, but that's not what I want anyway. I just want enough cushioning that when my knee is on it or I'm laying on my back on this, it's supporting me as I'm lifting weights. It is sturdy across the board. Each of the feet actually have a twist, so you can adapt the feet as needed if it's on an unlevel surface. And then you can adjust the angles of these seats quite a bit. On the main piece, or the back, you can go all the way down, or you can go up to what I'm gonna call position 1. Position 2 is flat. Number 3 is at a slight slope. 4, a bit more of a slope. More of a slope at 5. Even more of a slope at 6. And finally, you can have this go completely upright. If for any reason you need that fully upright seat, this has you covered. And it's really easy to adjust and put into position. Now for this seat, you don't have as much control. It goes up this high and then slight slant, and then it will lock completely flat. Or if you want, you can have it go all the way down. So lots of options there for however you plan to use this. So cool. And it really is just this nice faux leather material. Here are those feet I was talking about and how they are adjustable. So if you need to make it more level, you can. Really, really easy on the adjustments. Now I would say that this leg piece is potentially the weakest link. It's the least sturdy piece, but it's still not going anywhere. It has really nice foam. We'll definitely get the job done. Now I'm 5'11", so what I'm really looking for is how this feels when I put my whole body on it. And it definitely gives me the length I want, which is what I specifically was looking for, is I wanted something that had the length, that was sturdy, it's not moving, it's not shaking at all, it doesn't have any weird creaks, it's super solid, and I know this is going to give me exactly what I want and still pack up small when I need it to. So the last piece I want to show is just how easily this packs up, because I think this is pretty perfect. My cat agrees. Now for folding, all I want to do is have the benches go down flush, pull out this very key 8-pin, and then it will just slide together. And you can just put this ball pen right back in once you have it folded, and it's not gonna slide out because it does have a little protruding piece on it. So it's designed to store everything in one piece as well. So if you're on the hunt for a fantastic adjustable bench for your weightlifting, I am really thrilled with this FLYBIRD. I'm going to be putting this to use all the time.